Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.